Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your wealth with Morgan Stanley, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, start by understanding your financial goals. Consider what you want to achieve in the short and long term. Next, evaluate your current financial situation. Take stock of your assets, liabilities, and income sources. Research the services offered by Morgan Stanley. Familiarize yourself with investment management, financial planning, and retirement strategies. Schedule a consultation with a Morgan Stanley advisor. During your meeting, discuss your financial goals and risk tolerance. Ask questions about the various investment products available. Consider diversifying your portfolio with a mix of stocks, bonds, and alternative investments. Review the fees associated with each service provided by Morgan Stanley. Assess how these fees fit into your overall budget. Open an investment account through Morgan Stanley to start. Choose the type of account that best aligns with your financial objectives. Begin funding your account with a comfortable initial investment. Stay informed about market trends and economic conditions. Regularly review your investment performance and strategy. Adjust your portfolio as necessary to meet changing market circumstances. Consider setting up automatic contributions to your investment account. This will help you consistently build your wealth over time. Leverage Morgan Stanley's research and market insights to inform your decisions. Network with other investors to exchange ideas and strategies. Take advantage of educational resources offered by Morgan Stanley. Stay disciplined and patient, as wealth building is a long-term commitment. Continue to assess your goals and adjust your strategies accordingly. Celebrate milestones along the way to stay motivated. By following these steps, you can successfully scale your wealth with Morgan Stanley. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.